Hey everybody, it's meteorologist Sean Sublette, and time for the Richmond Weather Brief for this Friday afternoon, January 30th. And we think increasingly wind and cold are going to be bigger issues than snow for this weekend. So it's going to be just straight up another cold night. Friday night, we're down to about 15 as the clouds thicken up. And we do think there's going to be at least a few snow flurries in the air on Saturday, but this does not look like a big accumulating snow. In fact, we expect it's just kind of cloudy Saturday morning and then very sporadic afternoon and evening light snow. Not a consistent snow at all. We think the amounts are going to be from almost nothing to perhaps about an inch. That level closer to the inch southward from Richmond toward Petersburg, Prince George, and almost certainly going forward to Ashland, Hanover, almost nothing there. But everywhere, it's going to be breezy and cold. Again, only 22 Saturday afternoon with those breezes around, going to make it feel like it's between 5 and 15. So then Sunday, it's windy again. If anything, it's a little windier. It goes to the upper 20s. And that wind's 15, 25 miles an hour. So even in the sun, again, the wind chills are down into the single digits. This storm is going to be very present in Virginia, but it's far worse down toward Hampton Roads. If you've got interest in Portsmouth, Norfolk, Virginia Beach, the Eastern Shore specifically, we think Virginia Beach and Norfolk, several inches of snow, very strong winds coming onshore, 30 to 40 miles an hour, which means there will be coastal flooding. First guess is 1 or 2 feet above high tide levels at high tide on Saturday. And then as we get into first of next week, it looks a little milder for a little while. 40-ish Monday, mid-40s on Tuesday. Sun is back out, and it ought to do a good number on all the ice that's been sitting on the ground all week. Having said that, there is another system to watch for Wednesday, although it looks far, far weaker than these last couple we've had to deal with. And don't forget the Richmond Weather Brief is a production of Sublette Weather and Consulting, helping you weather the digital world. Get our videos as soon as they drop on YouTube, subscribe to Sean's Virginia Weather, and find out what a weather consultant can do for you or your business at subletteweather.com.